Compel your audience to take the desired action with our call to action button generator text writing tool. Hello everyone, I am Ryan, here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. With the new and improved user interface and user experience, it is now much easier and simpler to use WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how to use WriteMe.ai to write the perfect lead generation call to action in a few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, and goal of writing CTA. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it, your compelling call to action button text is ready to use. You can keep generating different CTA variants till you are happy with the final result. Compel your readers to take the desired action with a unique call to action designed for any format. Explore new AI content creator suggestions and rule your competition. I hope that we are providing you with complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comment section. Thanks, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.